Let us do another question. This is a circuit that is given to us. It has two batteries of EMF 3 volt and 4.5 volt, and there are three resistors connected in this circuit: 3 ohms, 6 ohms and 10 ohms. And we have to find the current in 6 ohm resistor. In this resistor we have to find the current flowing through it. So first we are going to use KVL. So we are using KVL in loop 1. So this will be our loop 1, and let us say the current I1 is flowing in this direction and current I2 is flowing in this direction. So here from this battery there will be I1 coming out. This I1 will flow through 3 ohm resistor, and then here I1, and it will return to this battery. Similarly, I2 is also flowing in clockwise direction. So I2 will be flowing here, and so in this branch I1 and I2 both will flow in directions opposite to each other. So for first loop, if we take only this loop and we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, then the potential drop here will be 3I1, then here it will be 6I1, but we are also having I2 in opposite direction, so we'll write minus 6I2. Then here the I1 will come and it is entering the negative terminal of this battery, so it will be minus 4.5 and it will be equal to 0. So if you simplify this equation, it will be minus 6I1 plus 4I2 equals to 3. This will be our first equation. Now for second loop, for this loop, this current I2 is going in this direction, so its first potential difference will be 10I2. Then it is entering the positive terminal of the battery, so you'll write plus 3. Then here it will be plus 6I2, but I1 is coming in the opposite direction, so it will be minus 6I1, and there is no other battery, so it will be equal to 0. 16I2 minus 6I1 will be equal to minus 3, or we can write it as 6I1 minus 16I2 equals to 3. So this will be your second equation. So by solving this, now again these are two simple linear equations you can easily solve yourself. Solving equations 1 and 2, we can find the value of I1, and I1 will be equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 0.5 amperes, and I2 will come out to be 0. So that means from 6 ohm branch there is only one current that will be flowing, which is equal to minus 0.5 amperes. So we can write in 6 ohm resistor, current of 0.5 ampere will flow, because the other current I2 will be equal to 0 in this branch. Now this we solved using KVL. We can also solve the same equation using Kirchhoff's current law. So we will do this on the next page. This is the same circuit, and this time we will apply by using KCL. We'll apply KCL to solve the same problem. So for this, we'll take this battery and we assume, since this is the negative terminal, so we assume that the potential drop here will be equal to, at this point will be 0, and at this point it will be 4.5. So similarly, if this is here, this point will also be on 0 potential, and at this point there will be a potential of 3 because of this battery. Now at this point we do not know the potential, so we'll assume it to be X. So from X we'll assume the current going in outward direction, as we have already done in previous videos. So we'll assuming all the currents going outward from potential X, then by KCL we can write that across this the current across this resistor, the current in this branch will be equal to the potential difference of this branch, that is X minus 0, divided by the resistance. That will give us the value of the current in this branch. Similarly, in this branch, the potential here is x and here it is 3. So it will be equal to x minus 3 upon 10. In this branch, again the potential is x minus 4.5 and divided by the resistor 3. Remember, we are taking the currents, we are assuming that the currents are going outwards. So if they are going outwards, that means in the direction of current the potential will decrease. So here also, since the current is moving in this direction according to our assumption, so 4.5 will be lesser than x, so the potential difference will be x minus 4.5 that we have taken here. Now according to KCL, the sum of all these currents should be equal to 0. So this should be our equation. Now if we solve this, the LCM will be 30 and we'll get the equation 5x plus 3x minus 9 plus 10x minus 45 equals to 0. If we solve this, we will have 18x equals to 54 or x equals to 3 volt. So the value of this is 3 volts. So that means the current in 6 ohm branch through this 6 ohm resistor will be equal to x minus 0 upon 6. So this will be equal to x minus 0 upon 6 or 3 minus 0 upon 6 or 3 by 6, that will be equal to 0.5 ampere. This is the same answer that we got by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law.